Lucky. Lucky. Hey, Lucky, over here. Hi, baby. I'm a handsome boy. Who's my handsome boy? Sitting in the window. It's my Lucky. Yes, Lucky likes to sit in the window. And he likes to look in the sink. He's very fascinated with the sink and where water comes from. Right, Lucky? Lucky? Here we have Carlos coming in the kitchen. Hello, Carlos. Carlos, what are you doing up here? You go ahead, too. Go ahead, Carlos. Go sit in the window. Atta boy. Oh, he's going to look in the sink, too. Cat's fascinated with the sink. Yeah, Carlos wants to sit in the window too. It's okay, Carlos. Carlos. Carlos, come back. Carlos. No? Hello, Carlos. Here's my other handsome boy. Here comes Spencer. He wants to be in the movie too. He does. Hi, Spencer. 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 Can you look cute? Who's my cute cat? Who's my cute boy? Spencer. Hello, Carlos. Hello, Lucky. Lucky. Lucky, Lucky, Lucky. All my boys hanging out with me in the kitchen. Being very good cats. Oh, what's that? Is that Daddy coming down? I think that's Daddy coming downstairs. What is that? What is it? Carlos. What is it, Spencer? Spencer! What do you hear? Hello, my beautiful boy. My Carlito. Handsome boy. Yes, he is. And here's my other handsome boy. What do you want, Spencer? What does Spencer want? Spencer? Spencer. What do you boys think?